try? Which drink did you try?
Tried that raspberry fizz.
As the raspberry fizz.
Not coffee, so yeah. Hindi mo na ako ng coffee this morning.
I love it. Pero meron pa rin siyang cake, di ba? Thank you so much, Josh. Okay, Bianx naman. Of course, I want to know, this is also your first time here, Bianx.
Yes.
Ano ang reaction mo sa opening of this store?
Grabe, sobrang laki and sobrang daming choices. Kaya nga pagpasok ko pa lang sabi ko, grabe, we're go shopping agad. Kaya parang I bumped into Jada and then to Josh inside and we were all shopping. So, ang saya. There are so many choices and options to choose from. So, I'm so excited for all of you to finally come in and join us.
Bianx, I have to know, what is the one piece that caught your eye dito sa opening?
Well, I really love their dresses. Kasi so far, I've been loving dresses. Kasi diba, minsan kapag nagsa-sundress ka, you don't really have to think about what to wear for your top or bottom. Lalo na for mga the days na mag-grocery ka lang, mag-run ka lang ng errands.
Exactly.
Cute sundress will go. So, tingnan niyo guys, super duper cute.
Thanks so much, Bianx. Okay, of course, Jada. Of course, Jada, sample muna dyan. Hindi dyan. Yes, sample! Go! Kapit na ako sa mga pension. Oh, di ba ginawa ng jingle? I love it. Okay, Jada, thank you so much for being here. Jada, I want to know naman, you were also shopping with Bianx. What caught your eye dito sa shop natin?
Ako personally, I've been gravitating to a lot of pastel pieces lately. So very magaan sa mata. So I would say probably actually what Bianca's wearing right now. I was like, I love her fit and actually what you're wearing right now. So yeah, I found a lot of pieces and a lot of the denim pieces as well that really nice.
Jada, before I let you go, I have to know, what is your favorite memory with Pen Shop?
I think my favorite memory with Pen Shop would probably have to be my first ever shoot with them last year as a brand ambassador because Pen Shop has always been such a dream brand for me to work with personally, and it's really such a dream come true that I get to be a part of Club Ben and of course be alongside all of these amazing ambassadors. So yeah, it's really just an honor. I think that was that, and probably Full Speed Ahead, our launch last year with the billboards and everything. So.
Congratulations to all of you guys. Thank you so much, Jada. Next up, Jeff Moses. Hello, Jeff.
Hello po.
Okay, Jeff, I love the fit.
Thank you.
Diba? I love it. Napakabongga. I have to know, how did Pen Shop kind of help you out with your styling journey?
Well, actually, very stylish yung mga designs nila, yung mga bagong releases. So parang ako personally, hindi ako nahirapan ng like to pair up yung mga pieces kasi ito complement yung mga designs nila na nilalabas. So parang ang ginagol ko na lang, ano yung komportable suotin. Kasi every pieces, ang ganda ng mga designs eh. So na-appreciate ko. And eto, suot ko ngayon. Ito yung isa sa mga go-to fit ko with Pen Shop.
Ito talaga yung go-to fit mo. I love it. Di ba fresh? Di ba, can we agree na napaka-light ng clothes ng Pen Shop? Kaya na summer we don't feel a thing. Thank you so much, Jeff Moses. Maraming salamat. Ito, of course, Charlie Fleming. Hello, Charlie. Yes, may pag-uho dyan sa side. Okay, Charlie, I have to know, siguro if you can describe Pen Shop in 3 words, what would it be?
Oh my God, tapat talaga sa akin yun. If I can describe Pen Shop in 3 words, I would say chic, very classy, and casual. Definitely a casual, something you can use in your everyday, even in your workplace.
Yes, I love how she said it's chic but at the same time casual, so you can use it for any occasion, diba?
That's like my outfit.
Exactly! Totally giving. Yes! May pahiyawan. I love it. But they're all looking so amazing. Okay, I want to know. I was able to ask the girls for what they were kind of attracted to dito. Ikaw naman, Charlie, what are you attracted to dito sa store?
Recently with Pen Shop, I've been very attracted to the activewear that they have. I went on a hike just like the other day. It wasn't yesterday. And I was really full of Pen Shop. So you can really tell how versatile their pieces are because you can bring it, like on casual days, chic days, and even on active days. So,
Thank you so much, Charlie. And of course, palakpakan po natin once again our Club Ben brand ambassadors. Of course, they are bringing in the style and energy that Pen Shop is all about. And ito na. Okay, so we're so excited because apparently we have